So we're just going to take a look into 3.4, which is volume and capacity, but of different shapes, of spheres, cones, and pyramids. These are ones that don't go straight up and have the same base on the top that they have on the bottom. But some of them have their own formulas that you can remember. We've got a volume of a sphere, which is 4/3 pi r cubed. Okay. The capacity of a sphere container can be calculated the same way as a prism. So if you have 1,000 centimeters cubed for a volume of a sphere, it equals 1 liter. Okay. You will also need to know how to convert between cubic meters and cubic centimeters. So if we have 1 meter by 1 meter by 1 meter, we could change that into centimeters, which is 100 centimeters by 100 centimeters by 100 centimeters. So 1 meter cubed is the same as saying 1 million centimeters cubed. So this is a good conversion for us to keep. I think we're going to have this big formula page with some conversions there for you. And this is one of them. 1 meters cubed is equal to 1 million centimeters cubed. Okay. So we've got a spherical ball of 1.2 meters. Now, what is its volume? What is its capacity? As soon as I see capacity, I will want to change this diameter into centimeters, because then I'll get centimeters cubed, and then it's just like before when we have to divide by 1,000. So I'm going to go through and show you my way, and then we'll look at what they've got to say. So volume is equal to 4/3 pi r squared, no, pi r cubed, and the radius, this is the diameter, so the radius is actually 0.6 meters. So if I go into centimeters, it's 60 centimeters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 60 centimeters in here. So pulling up my calculator, I'm going to follow through here, put 4/3 in brackets. 4/3 times pi, using the pi symbol, times, and then in brackets, 60 cubed, end bracket, equals. I've got a volume of 904,778.7 centimeters cubed. 904,778. I think I added one number too extra. Yeah, there's only one 4, so let's take this 4 away. 0.7 centimeters cubed. If we wanted to know the capacity, we could just do like we have been in the past and divide by 1,000. So I take my answer, I divide by 1,000. The capacity is 904.7 or 0.8 liters. So if we run through here, they do it a little different. They don't convert into centimeters. They deal the radius as 0.6 meters. So we get a volume of 0.94779 meters cubed, which is pretty much this, just divided by 1,000,000. So about 0.9 meters cubed. So here, they times 1,000,000 to get it back to centimeters cubed here. So they do the conversion step here, and then they divide by 1,000 to get the liters. Okay, they rounded to about 905 liters. go ahead and try the volume of the sphere in these practice ones, and then we'll come back and do some volumes and capacities of pyramids.